Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Majory app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just click on the date format, just click on it here. Then it's going to show for you list like this, and here can you select it. When you down click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.